Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 24 of our magic book journey.
Happy morning.
Happy
Happy,
morning, ma'am.
happy,
Happy
Happy
morning.
morning, everyone.
lovely morning. Nice to hear your voices. So, how was it yesterday? Any sharings? Anything you need to ask? Any clarifications?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Yesterday, when I was doing my task, I was looking in the at the window, और मैं बाहर trees और सब देख रही थी, and I was just visualizing that. I remember the prayer which we used to tell in the school times. Before
Okay.
starting our school, we have to sing that prayer with before Jana Gana Mana.
Okay.
I would like to share with everybody.
Yeah.
First, I remember 4 5 lines. Then I found out rest of the lines. Uh, I will share with everybody.
Yeah, sure.
Father, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be others kind and good. In all we do, at work or play, to grow more loving every day.
Wow. So, this is the entire thing, the entire prayer.
Yeah.
Repeat the first line again.
Father, we thank thee for the night
Okay.
and for the pleasant morning light.
Wow. And
I
the
was thanking the nature.
huh,
And so I remember that we used to say some thanks to when we were in school.
yeah,
Yeah.
so beautiful, na?
Yeah.
And you remembered. So why did you remember? Any guesses? Why did it come in your mind yesterday only?
Mm, because we were visualizing now. When we were visualizing yesterday, we visualized the air, the sun, the earth, everything. At that time, it may be in my conscious mind, unconscious mind, where
Yeah.
some मतलब नर्सरी में से बोलते थे, नर्सरी से 10th तक ये रोज बोलना था,
Wow.
ऐसा था.
Lovely. Thank you. Thank you for
Thank you, ma'am.
sharing. Very, very beautiful. Really beautiful. And it was nice for us to start our day with this prayer. आपने एक नया स्टार्ट करवा दिया आज with this prayer. Beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm sure everyone must have felt, it touched your heart somewhere or the other, this prayer. Yes, no, everyone.
Absolutely yes.
Yes. Thank you, Pooja for sharing. Anybody else wants to share anything? Or if you have anything to ask, clarifications, because now the chapters are making us experience every day, every moment will be a different experience. We are in the fourth week of our magic book journey. Amazing things are going to come up in front of you. Only thing what is required is your awareness. So you have to catch to all those things, like how Pooja ji, she caught herself, and when she was with nature, and that something which was already there, it started moving and the stirring started happening. And जैसे वो समुद्र मंथन होता है तो सब चीजें निकलती है ना बाहर. So first whatever came, then something else came, and then something else came. And as the churning went on, वो मंथन जब होता गया तो अंदर से क्या क्या gems and what all were coming out. So like that, now a lot of things will come from inside us for people who have practiced, who have done all the magical practices. Yes. Anybody else wants to share anything? किन किन लोगों ने कल किया था 3 to 4 times? You deliberately took 5 breaths, 5 deep inhalations and deep exhalations. Who all did yesterday?
मैंने हाँ हीना मैंने किया था उनमें से इनफैक्ट अब तो हर रोज करती हूँ, तो लास्ट सेशन मैंने किया था इसीलिए तो
Okay, lovely. Okay, so कुछ मतलब कुछ अलग लगा लास्ट सेशन से और अभी, और आप रोज कर रहे हो तो एवरी डे as it it's
फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ गई है। फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ गई है तो ऑफ कोर्स मेंटली भी स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ गई है, तो वो ही चाहिए हमको तो
yes. And what about your level of feeling of gratitude? जो शुक्राना कृतज्ञता की जो feeling है उसकी intensity है उसमें is there any difference?
काफी बढ़ गई है। अपर लाइन में तो पहले से थी, पर शायद अभी थोड़े दिन होगा तो इसकी भी लिमिट क्रॉस हो जाएगी ऐसा लग रहा है।
Wow, lovely, lovely. Thank you, Hina ji, for sharing. Okay, okay. So, anybody else wants to share anything before we start our today's chapter, the magic wand? Very very beautiful chapter, very very powerful chapter. इसको हम अलग अलग ढंग से समझ सकते हैं. All of you, please keep your minds and your hearts and your everything open. Just sit straight before we begin the chapter. Make all the necessary adjustments. आप अगर कुछ कम कार्य कर रहे हो, कुछ काम कर रहे हो, तो my invitation to all of you is that please be in that alert mode, aware mode, and be in the moment. जो आप कर रहे हो उसे कुछ देर के लिए आप छोड़ सकते हो तो छोड़ दीजिए, and just be with the chapter, read with the reader, and so your understanding will be your understanding. It's not necessary that whatever is shared, whatever is my understanding it is your understanding too. Maybe you'll understand it in a very different way. So just stay in tune with engage all your 5 senses. Just be with your 5 senses and be with this chapter today. Now onwards, all the chapters are really, really going to take you deep inside, deep inside. And जो भी layers जो हमने बना ली है, जिनसे they are not helping us, तो वो layers भी dissolve हो जाएंगी अपने आप ही. So who wants to read today's chapter? Who wants to read today? Vartika, would you like to read? Vartika, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Would you like to read the chapter?
Yes, sure.
Lovely. So let's look at the picture first. And let's decode this picture. Everyone, once you have spoken, you can unmute yourself, and then again, once you've spoken, you can mute yourself, and if you want to speak again, you can unmute yourself so that we don't have these lovely voices in the background. So yes, come on. Now remember, before we start looking into this picture, this beautiful picture, as we enter into the picture, just decode, think out of the box. See what is being shown to us in front of us. What is the universe trying to tell us through this picture? It's your conversation with the universe. It's entirely your conversation with the universe.
बेंच है, बेंच के ऊपर पर्स है और मैजिक वॉन्ड वो छड़ी है।
हाँ, तो वो मैजिक छड़ी जो दिख रही है पिक्चर में, is it a
हाँ।
real magic wand that we all are going to get in today's chapter? Like this, like a stick? Yes, no.
यस यस
What do
यस।
you feel? What is your expectation?
Yes.
Okay.
और हैट है,
और क्या है? हैट है। ओके।
शायद ये बेंचेस गार्डन में है, क्योंकि जो दूसरा पीक है उसमें नीचे लीव्स और कुछ ग्रास जैसा दिख रहा है।
अच्छा, वेरी गुड, लवली।
चलिए ये
yes,
नेचर फॉलो नेचर में, वो गार्डन में है तो नेचर के साथ ही सब कुछ, तो और नेचर यूनिवर्स से कनेक्टेड है।
ओके, नेचर यूनिवर्स से कनेक्टेड है। ओके, और नेचर, द यूनिवर्स इज द नेचर, कैन वी से दैट?
यस।
ओके, लवली।
अरे
प्लीज।
इसमें जो आगे का जो भी पिक्चर था इससे इसमें जो मैजिक का जो इंटेंसिटी है कि वो मात्रा है वो ज्यादा कुछ लग रही है, कि जो स्टार्स वगैरह निकल रहे हैं शरीर में से, कि जो मैजिकल डस्ट बोलते हैं वो कुछ ज्यादा दिख रहा है, क्योंकि पूरा पिक्चर में ऊपर की साइड तो वो ही दिख रहा है।
ओके, पर ये पर्स में ही मैजिक वॉन्ड, व्हाई इज इट केप्ट? व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द पर्स?
That wherever we go, magic will be with us.
ऑसम, वेरी गुड, लवली। यस,
मैं एक स्टेप आगे बोल सकती हूँ कि we are the magic wand ourselves.
ऑसम, यस।
Now we can say that whatever we touch now becomes gold. वो
Yes. And are you really experiencing it?
हाँ, क्योंकि वो कौन थी वो हिस्ट्री में, वो पता नहीं कि वो जिससे भी छूते थे तो पत्थर वो गोल्ड हो जाता था, तो शायद हम खुद ही ये मैजिक वॉन्ड बन गए हैं।
शायद क्यों आ रहा है?
सॉरी सॉरी, हम बन गए हैं।
Yes. We are the magic wand, and we are going to read this in the chapter today, which says that you are the magic wand. So, yes, anybody else wants to say anything? What is your understanding?
Ma'am,
Yes.
yeah, so this looks like something in like bottom in the water, like down below underneath, like a treasure. And we had this Sonpari kind of a serial when I was small.
Little louder, little louder.
Yeah, so there was this Sonpari karke, there was a serial. So this looks like that magic wand of a pari. So like we are those angel or like that, and we'll be so this is like a treasure which is found under the water, like down below where we find those pearls, you know. It looks like that to me, because on the right side image I can see those small I don't know, those plants which are there inside the water. I forgot the real name.
Okay.
So we'll be taking this everywhere along with us, and we are like those angels to the world, and we'll be like spreading magic everywhere with that.
Really, really good. Very, very nicely. Beautifully, you have done it. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And can you just, Ishita ji, can you just see what is the symbol, the purse symbolize? What is the, I mean, the thing about the purse which is being shown in the picture?
Yeah, so purse is basically, if I'm an angel, I'll have something to keep in my bag or something. So I'll carry it everywhere. And I'll spread the magic with, I'll put the wand inside the purse and I'll carry it everywhere I go.
Yes, okay. Lovely, lovely.
Oh, there's a
Thank
hat also. So
Yeah.
yeah, so everywhere you go out or anywhere you go, we take this along and we keep spreading magic. Like for example, we had one of the chapters in which, like on the road also, if we are going, we are like we are the magicians spreading magic everywhere. So
Yes.
now we don't need our fingers. Now it's the wand. We are like we've got more powers.
Yes. Yes. Lovely. Really beautifully explained. And I don't know why I'm remembering that the rabbit coming out of the magic, the hat, which was
Yeah,
there
yeah,
in
yeah.
one of the chapters. So this
Mm.
hat might be, symbolizing that there is a lot of things coming out from the hat. Yeah. So
Yeah. So
yeah, you want to share anything more? You want
yeah,
to?
it's like stages of a magician from basic to advanced course figure. So now this is the advanced course where we have achieved everything and now we are like the true magicians. We can do anything.
Yes, and we can do anything for.
For others and for us. It's both.
Yes. Yes, that completes it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, somebody wants to share?
Yeah, even I wanted to share actually.
Yeah.
To me, this appears like this spark that's within us.
Little
Um,
louder, little louder. And your name, please?
Vartika.
Oh, Vartika. Yeah, yeah. Say.
So this, to me, it appears like the spark that is within us.
Yeah.
The bag and the hat just represents like, the body,
Okay.
how we kind of carry the spark inside us all the
Hmm.
time.
Yeah. Okay.
That's about it.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you, Vartika, for sharing. Thank you. So, till yesterday night, yesterday evening, when I was looking at this picture, I was not able to decode it, and I was, not understanding what is it. And you all have done it so beautifully, all of you. And so today morning, when I woke up, and I just slept with an intention that let the picture reveal itself when I wake up in the morning. So I was just wondering about this purse, and you all gave a very beautiful meaning, all of you. Very, very beautiful what you just shared. So just want to share what I thought, that we keep our valuable possessions, whatever we have, whenever we go out, or even at, especially when we go out, we carry our valuable possessions in the purse, which is dear to us, and we hold it in our hands, and we hang it on our body, whatever, however each one wants to carry it. And so everything what makes us happy, we put it in the purse. And similarly in our lives, all our valuable possessions, what are the valuable possessions, who are the valuable possessions around us, the people who are around us, who are our friends, our relatives, our employees, our colleagues, our parents. And so, our desire, what is the desire? What is the desire, all of us, is to make a shift in their lives and in our lives also. How? With our deeds, with our actions, with our thoughts, with our feelings. So, since the entire chapter, an entire book is about gratitude, so now coming and relating to that is that what is that power through, which we all have. We all are born with that power. And I would like to add one more power here, which was the first in the feeling chart, the power of love. So, the power of gratitude and love, when it's combined together, because it's the love of our life, it's the love, everything, whomever we see around us, whomever we stay with, people around us, they all are the love of our life. So, with the power of gratitude, we become the magic wand. With the power of gratitude, and with a flavor of love in it, we actually become the magic wand. Although this book doesn't talk much about love, it's going to be spoken in the power book. But right now, we just, I don't know, somehow I felt that little glimpse of love coming when it comes to a deeper level of gratitude. So when you are in the deepest level of gratitude, you actually take one step forward. And there are moments, many of us have felt, when we are joyful, when we are happy, that unexplainable joy and happiness which flows in each one of us. Many of us have experienced that during the day, maybe towards the end of the day, and you don't know what is happening. You are in that space of joy and gratitude, and then actually you're feeling that love which is there in the deepest core of our beings. Love is the essence. So we all are, going to experience this. We, if not experience it fully, thoda ek glimpse aega, we will be able to. So what is a magic wand? We become a magic wand only when we have these two feelings, the powerful feelings of gratitude and love. And today's chapter is all about feelings, matlab feelings to a much much higher level. And especially, all the chapters in the week 4 are all about more of a intense feelings. मतलब हम कितना कितना ज्यादा आप अपने आप में, things around you, things inside you, you can feel it, the power of feelings. And also, the feelings of for the world, whatever we have, feelings for the world, feelings for the universe, and all the parallel universes. So actually, we become like the co-workers, and we are the co-workers. It's not a coincidence that out of those 7.2 billion people, there's a lot of noise. Can everybody mute yourself once? So it's not a coincidence that out of those 7.2 billion people, we are the chosen ones, and we are here, all of us from different parts of India. We all are here, and we all are reading this book collectively. So we are like the co-workers. And what is our mission? Our mission is to make the world a better place, a happier place, a place full of love and gratitude. So let's all join hands together now, and let's spread this word, this magic which we are experiencing, this power which we all are experiencing, this magic, this magical power of gratitude, to make the world a better place, to make the world a happier place, to make the world full of love and gratitude. This is what I felt. And and it felt really complete, like, just we are the magic wand. So let's read the chapter. Yes, please start reading.
Have you ever wished you had a magic wand so that you could just wave your wand and help the people you love? Well, today's magical practice will show you how you can use life's real magic wand to help others.
Yes, so have we ever wished? Most of us have, right? That you can just wave your, so be like that magical fairy, like how Ishita ji shared that Son Pari jaise, बिल्कुल उसके जैसे बस magic wand hilaya, and whatever you wished for and whatever you wanted to do for others. See the last lines of the para. Today's magical practice will show you how you can use life's real magic wand to help others. So when you help others, you start that circle of abundance, of health, of wealth, of happiness, whatever way, whatever is your desire. How do you want to help others? It could be anything. Each one of us will have our own ways of helping others. So just doing simple acts of kindness, just doing simple acts of something that will bring joy to that person, in that person's life. It could be anybody. It could be anybody, people whom you don't know, for them also. So it would, you feel so nice and happy from inside, when you see the happiness of others, when you see others in that joyful state. Yes, no, everybody, do we feel like that? Have we ever wished like it, that? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, write it on the chat. If you haven't felt, right, no. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. So does this thought comes that, first let me help myself and then I'll help others? Does that thought come first? Yes, no? Yes?
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. Yes, okay, lovely, lovely. So now let's see what happens when we read today's chapter and we try to understand. That's absolutely fine. First, if we can help ourselves, then only we'll be able to help others. So that's absolutely fine to understand it in that way. And if that's each one will have its own perspective. That's absolutely fine. Yes, please continue.
When you fervently want to help another person, you have immense power. But when you direct that power with gratitude, you really do have a magic wand that can help the people you care about.
So when you fervently, what's the meaning of fervently? Yes,
Passionate.
passionate, yes. So when you're passionate, which means what? कि आपका कोई passion है, आप उसे करना चाहते हो. Passionately you're doing something, which means that you are, कोई pressure, external pressure नहीं है. Just want to do it from your heart. एक दिली इच्छा होती है और आप उसे करना चाहते हो. And remember in the feeling chart, being enthusiastic, passionate also was one of the feelings, which was below gratitude, right? Do you remember? So when we take up anything in our life with passion, हमारा एक passion होता है ना, we all have our own passions, everybody. So yes, no, do we have? Yes, no? that
Yes.
that is, when you are in that thing that really makes you very contented, very peaceful, very happy. It's a different thing that at times we feel that, we are not able to pursue our passions, but let's now start doing things with passion. And you want to help anybody, another person, with your immense power. But when you direct that power with gratitude, now we can start doing, just be in that mode of gratitude, in that mode of shukrana, in that mode of thankfulness, that you really, so when you do that, when ye dono ka combination becomes really really powerful, then what happens, you really do have a magic wand that can help the people you care about. So how do we do it? Let's continue reading.
Energy flows where your attention goes. And so when you direct the energy of gratitude toward another person's needs, that's where the energy goes. This is the very reason why Jesus said thank you before he performed a miracle. Gratitude is an invisible but real force of energy, and coupled with the energy of your desire, it is just like having a magic wand.
Yes. So these lines are really, this line is really, really beautiful. Energy flows where your attention goes. Just shut your eyes and just imagine, I mean, just go into this line. Just, pause and look into every word of this line. Energy flows where your attention goes. We all are energy beings. So energy flows where your attention goes. Wherever our attention is, wherever our focus is, the energy, which is our true being, our true essence, it starts flowing in that direction. Again, just repeat this line. Energy flows where your attention goes. So, actually, this line is so powerful that it can actually transform your life forever, or it could actually mess up your life also. So just let's look into it again. So energy flows where your attention goes. Anybody is able to understand this line in another way? Each one of us will have our own understanding. कुछ और तरीके से समझ में आ रहा है कि कैसे it can transform my life also and it can mess up my life also. How?
So if you see anything positive about someone or something, like there are two sides of everything, like the positive end and the negative end, like two faces of coins.
Yeah.
So this is like, if you see the positive end of the coin, you will see everything positive. And if you see the negative end, you will see all the negatives, and then it will create that chart. So if you go on the look at the positive thing, you'll be on the upper end of it. And if you go towards the negative end, you'll be on you'll have all the feelings which are below the line.
In the
So
feeling chart. Yeah.
yeah, in the feelings chart. So
Yeah.
yeah, that is how I perceive it.
Yes. Quite interesting. Yeah. Nicely connected. Yes. Anybody else?
Also, we
Uh,
get like, sorry.
Yes, you complete whatever you're sharing.
Yeah, also we get like, we are always in a think कि ये इसने क्यों किया होगा या something like that. We can't think positive in a first shot at times. So as a human nature, so this tells you that you need to stop that and look towards the positive end of any person, like that.
Yes. So can we say that जो appear हो रहा है सामने, that is one thing, but
Yeah,
उसके जो पीछे जो truth है, that is the reality. And we
yeah,
need to, just this line is telling us that just shift your focus, be aware of where your energy is flowing, because जो आप सोचोगे वहीं पे, जहाँ पे आपका attention होगा, जहाँ पे आपका focus होगा, that is going to increase in your life. So energy starts flowing, and everything in this, in why energy it's mentioned here is because every form, every shape, every creation in this universe is a form of energy which has a definite frequency, a definite vibration. एवरी हर चीज की एक अलग फ्रीक्वेंसी है, चाहे वो एक स्टोन की फ्रीक्वेंसी हो, चाहे वो ट्री की फ्रीक्वेंसी हो, और the frequency of the sun, the frequency of the moon, the frequency of the air, the frequency of fire, everything is energy. Everything is energy. The frequency of a human being, a frequency of a cow, a goat, a dog, a bird flying in the sky. So everything is vibrating with a definite frequency. और जो हमारी जहाँ पे हमारा attention जाता है, that becomes our frequency. और उस frequency से जो भी और vibrate कर रहे हैं वो ही हम attract करने लग जाते हैं. This is about the energy world. This is how the energy world functions. So now let's look from that perspective. अब हम let's step into the energy world now. बिकॉज वेन वी आर, जब मैजिक वर्ल्ड में हम स्टेप करते हैं, तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट एनर्जी, इट्स ऑल अबाउट फीलिंग्स, इजंट इट? We have heard this so many times, and we've read also that the universe understands the language of feelings. ये एहसासों की दुनिया है, ये खाली यहाँ पे फीलिंग्स जो हमारे हैं, जो हमारे थॉट्स है, वो हमारी फीलिंग्स में जो एवरी थॉट क्रिएट्स अ फीलिंग, and that feeling is the fuel, and a change of feeling is a change of destiny. So all these, we have heard on and off. So what is, everything comes to the point that your you are the creator, you are the person who starts the flow, you are the person who starts the circle. So now what are we supposed to do? Let's create new circles, miraculous circles, happy circles, joyful circles, passionate circles. All these circles, let's shift our focus now, because these lines we have come to know now, which these are the powerful words. Every word, if you connect energy, flows, just pause and read this line again and again, and remember this line again and again through the day. What you can do is you can just stick it on a card, you can write it on a card, a beautiful card you can create, and you can a hard paper preferably, and if you want you can laminate it also, and you can stick it at a place where you see it quite often. It could be your living room, it could be your bathroom, it could be your office board. If you have a board, you can write, you can stick it on your vision board also. So people who have made their vision board, just stick it on this, so that every time And in big block letters, energy flows where your attention goes. This line says it all, and it shifts so much within inside us, and we actually understand what is the energy world. So yeah, anybody else wants to share anything? कुछ और आया दिमाग में? किसी को कुछ शेयर करना है इस लाइन के बारे में? Somebody wanted to share.
हाय मैम,
Yeah.
मैं इतना ही कहना चाहती थी कि जैसे हम ऐसे कहते हैं ना कि इसके पास बहुत बुद्धि है, मगर अगर हम अच्छी जगह यूज करेंगे तो उसका फल अच्छा आता है, और अगर हम खराब जगह यूज करते हैं तो वो खराब में मतलब उसके पास माइंड बहुत अच्छा है। वैसे ही
हाँ.
अगर हम एनर्जी को भी अच्छी जगह यूटिलाइज करते हैं तो इट गिव्स पॉजिटिव अच्छे उसके आते हैं रिजल्ट्स, और अगर हम उसको खराब जगह यूज करते हैं तो उसके खराब रिजल्ट्स आते हैं। सो वी शुड ऑलवेज बी अवेयर कि हम एनर्जी कहाँ डाल रहे हैं,
Yes.
हमारी थिंकिंग कहाँ जा रही है।
Yes. हमारी थिंकिंग कहाँ जा रही है, हमारी फीलिंग्स कहाँ जा रहे हैं. Energy is all about our thoughts and feelings. That is what creates energy. In the energy world, it's all about feelings, and feelings about ourselves and feeling about others. एक्चुअली क्या होता है, हमारी फीलिंग्स को हम बहुत कम ध्यान देते हैं. We keep on looking at the feelings of others, isn't it? Yes, no.
Yeah, that is true.
And we keep on इसने वो किया, इसने ऐसा किया, क्यों नहीं किया, why isn't this person doing this, and the entire energy gets we waste our entire energy in that, thinking about others, thinking about. So it's all about you and you and you, all about yourself. Once we change our energies, there's a lot of disturbance. Can you mute yourself?
I wanted to speak. That's all.
Acha, okay. So just let me complete. So once we change our energies, which is our unique energies, we all are born with some energies. So it's our unique energies, and we, every time, जैसे एक energy, जैसे when a river is flowing, every time it's carrying with it minerals, fertilizers on its way when it flows from the mountains to the plains. कितनी सारी चीजें वो अपने साथ में कैरी करके आती है ना रिवर. सो लाइक दैट, थ्रू आवर लाइव्स वी carry with us so many different energies. Now it's our duty, it's our responsibility, that where do we direct it. It's that intellect we all have. That is what makes us different from an animal or a plant, right? तो वो विवेक हम सब में है. that vivek, it depends on us कि वो विवेक को हम किस में लगाते हैं, that intellect को हम किस में we direct it towards what. We direct it towards thinking negative and attracting more of it, or we direct it towards gratitude, just being grateful in every moment, every breath. And yesterday's chapter was all about that. Why this chapter has come after yesterday's chapter? Because yesterday, when we were grateful about the air that you are breathing, the prana, the life force that is present, and you are acknowledging the presence of that life force, you are in a different space of your energy has moved to a different space. And now, when each time when you must have noticed now that whenever you are breathing in air, breathing out air, breathing in prana, breathing out prana, then the energy of your mind and body completely shifted. Yes, no? Anybody felt that? Even 5 breaths you took, did anybody feel any difference? Yes, no? You didn't feel
Yes.
anything? Okay.
एनर्जी तुरंत ही शिफ्ट हो जाती है.
Exactly. So
क्योंकि
then, yes. Yeah.
क्योंकि हमारा ध्यान वो ब्रेथ पर होता है.
Yes.
सो और कई जगह पे नहीं जाता.
Exactly. So you are in that moment, in the now.
Yes.
You are in the now, and we know that time is in, it becomes vertical in the now. तो कितनी सारी parameters change हो जाती है just by doing one thing, and then उस energy को हम किस चीज में लगाते हैं, that is entirely on us. So let's now all of us become aware ki what are we doing every moment. Just become aware and remember this line, and it completely shifts your consciousness. आप करके देखो, just remember this line. मेरी energy अभी कहाँ flow हो रही है, and where, is it flowing because मेरी attention खाली उसी चीज पे है? Is it flowing because my attention is only on the worry, on the anxiety, on the envy feeling, jealous feeling, I'm being jealous, or maybe fear is coming up. Fear of what? Fear of, and all this is something which is not there in your life, and still you are bringing it, and then we complain at the end of the day ki nothing is working in my life, nothing is happening in my life, whatever I do nothing works. We keep on complaining to others and to ourselves. So now let's look at our energies. Let's recognize our energies. The moment you wake up in the morning, just check, just say this to yourself: energy flows where my attention goes. Pause and say, chew every word and say, just pause. Then those words start revealing themselves to you. वो words अपने आप कुछ कुछ बोलने लग जाते हैं, आपसे बातें करने लग जाते हैं. And this is the power of this line. This line is really, really powerful. Actually, I have made a card, and I have stuck right in front of my dining table. There are many other things like one complaint is equal to 10 blessings. Change the person in the mirror, and the world will change. So like that, Jojo, whatever you feel touches your heart and can transform your mind at any moment of time, just write these and stick it wherever you want to. जहां आप स्टिक करना चाहते हो, कोई वॉल बनाना चाहते हो, एक वॉल में आप स्टिक कर सकते हो. इन योर बाथरूम, साइड ऑफ योर बाथरूम मिरर, बिकॉज उसे हम देखते ही हैं, तो यू कैन स्टिक देयर. Anywhere, wherever you feel, just my invitation to all of you is just take a first step of bringing these powerful words in your life, however, wherever you want to place them, so that you keep on, reinforcement hota rehta hai din bhar mein. Yes, anybody else wants to share anything before we go further? And this is the reason why Jesus said thank you before he performed a miracle. Jesus Christ always used to do this. He always used to say thank you, and he was a great, great healer. He just used to heal people by his power of intention. But before that, he always used to say thank you. He used to shift his, that he was not doing anything. He was not the doer. The doer is somebody else. The energy from which we all are, we have come from, the source. And that is what he used to mean when he used to say thank you before he actually performed a miracle. Not just saying thank you just for the sake of it. He used to feel that word. And then his energy used to start flowing in that direction, and the healing used to take place. So thank you was, his way of expressing gratitude. And this book has taught us that, let's say thank you before anything you do or you achieve or it comes in your life. So gratitude is that invisible but real force of energy. Remember, only real force of energy is gratitude. All the other things which we have, which we know about in the feeling chart, below the line or above the line or just on the line, those are all, those are all which are taking us away from the real force of energy, which is gratitude. And when it gets combined with the energy of your desire, with the energy of what you wish, then it becomes like a living magic wand. This is the magic wand that we all are born with. Remember that. So let's now get in touch with this magic wand. We all are born with this. This has been given to us by our loving, the universe, or our loving God, or the divine consciousness, whatever name you can give it. But this has been given to us समवेयर वो कहीं पे छुप गया है, और छुप कैसे गया है, हमने ही उसे छुपा दिया है, that invisible real force. So now let's all just think from this moment onwards that we have this power of gratitude, this invisible real force of energy with the energy of our desire क्या चीज की, to help the world, to make it a better place. And we know na, true heaven is the place on earth. It is there right inside us. Earth में हमारे अंदर है, it's there right within us. So let's get in touch with that energy. Please continue.
People who wait for a magic wand fail to see that they are the magic wand.
Thomas Leonard, 1955. Yeah, read further.
If you have a family member,
No,
friend,
just read this, the name of the person who has written this, Thomas Leonard.
Thomas Leonard, 1955 to 2003, personal development coach.
So people who wait for the magic wand fail to see that they are the magic wand. It's written in block letters, not in italicized also. Block letters, it says that we are the magic wand. So don't wait for any magical thing to happen from outside. You are the magic wand. You can create, and you can create your world, you can destruct your world. It's all upon you. You know that and you are the magician of your own life. Recognize the power and magic which lies in each one of us. वो सीड हमारे अंदर है, उसे अब कैसे ग्रो करना है, कैसे उसको नरिशमेंट देना है, कैसे उसे क्या क्या चीजें देनी है, that you have to determine for yourself. So let's take charge of our lives from this moment onwards. Yes, everybody is there. Yes, no. Everybody is taking charge of their lives. Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay, Uma, you wanted to share something. Wow, I really like this thumbs up. Wow. Uma, that time you wanted to share something. Would you like to share now? Uma, can
Sorry.
you mute?
Yeah. Energy flows is, through time, people have used mass energy for bigger things also, no?
Yes.
Same way, no? When they do the mass prayers or mass
Yes.
meditation.
Yes. So that becomes really powerful.
Very
That
powerful.
that infinite energy starts flowing, and you really become a co-worker. You become those light workers of the universe, and that is what we all are. The very fact that we are reading this book is we all are the light workers. We are the co-workers of the universe. We are helping the universe to evolve, to just, and most important is we as the child of the universe. So yeah, it's very good you brought up this, Uma. I'm very glad that you brought up this, the mass energy flow. So when we do
for a bigger cause, when we do it for a larger cause.
Yes.
And then, one hears the mass prayers or mass meditation.
Yes. So collectively,
collectively for peace of the world.
Yeah. And that really shifts the energy of the entire world. Remember, not only that place, that nation, that city, that town, that neighborhood, that house, but the entire world gets shifted. So it's really powerful. Thank you for sharing, Uma, and bringing it in front of us. Thank you so much. Please continue.
If you have a family member, friend, or anyone you care about who is lacking physical health, in financial trouble, unhappy in their work, stress, suffering because a relationship has ended, lost confidence in him or herself, suffering from mental problems or feeling down about their life, you can use the invisible force of gratitude to help them with their health, wealth, and happiness.
Yes, so Abhi, let's look into our own lives and just see, look around us, feel around you that आप कैसे इन लोगों को, कुछ लोग जो है आपको, जिनको आप जानते हो या जिनको आप नहीं भी जानते हो, and you're, passing on the same road every day on your way from home to office or office to home, और आपने किसी को देख लिया ऐसा, और you get a feeling now ना, हमको feel हो जाता है किसी person को देखने से that person is unhappy, stressed, suffering, because किसी से हमने सुना, in a general conversation you heard that a relationship has ended and somebody is really really sad, or somebody has lost confidence because of whatever is happening around in the life of that person, koi mental problems hai or any other thing, you just feel that, so just remember at that time, just thank God for bringing this in front of you, and because you can use the invisible power of gratitude now for what, for the health, wealth, and happiness. Yes, please continue. And how do we do it? We're going to understand how do we do it. Yes.
To wave your magic wand for another's health, imagine that the person's health has been fully restored and say the magic words, thank you, in heartfelt celebration of receiving the news that he or she is full of health again.
So we are using the magic wand with combined with the intense desire to help that person. For what? For their health, wealth, and happiness. And we have to imagine that you have already received. So you bring yourself, you have to use your power of visualization that you have received the news that he or she is in full of health again. Yes, you could imagine the person.
You could imagine the person calling you to give you the news, or imagine them telling you in person, and really see and feel your reaction. When you can feel as grateful now as you would when you heard the news that the person's health had been fully restored, it will guarantee that the gratitude you feel is sincere and as powerful as it can be.
Yeah, so now just again bring in that line, energy flows where your attention goes. If your attention is to make, your desire is to make, to create some kind of shift of health, wealth, and happiness in that person's life, whoever you have brought in your mind. And imagine that you are also there. And how will you imagine that? So you feel that, imagine that you have directed the flow of energy in that direction. What is the intention of the energy? To make a shift in the health, wealth, and happiness of that person whom you have chosen. Okay. So now you imagine that that person is completely free of any kind of worries, any kind of anxiety, any whatever you have chosen. Each one of you will choose different things, and you know what is happening in that person's life. What is your intention? You first identify your intention, then you just gather your energies, make yourself, lift yourself up in the feeling line. So above in the feeling chart above the line, so you feel that joy and happiness radiating from within. अपने आप को उस अवस्था में लाना है जहां आप खुद जॉयफुल फील कर रहे हो, जहां आप खुद खुशी महसूस कर रहे हो. Then what do? Then you just visualize. ना अब अपने आप को इमेजिन करना है कि उस आदमी उस इंसान ने आपको फोन किया कि या किसी और ने फोन किया. अगर उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है तो उनकी वाइफ ने फोन किया, उनके हस्बैंड ने फोन किया, उनके बच्चों ने फोन किया कि that person is completely fine. And then when you feel as grateful, so you hear the news that the person's health has been fully restored. जब ऐसा आप फील करोगे ना, जब ऐसा आप महसूस करोगे, when you start feeling and you're in that space completely, because all your senses are engaged, all your five senses are engaged. आप अपनी आंखों से देख पा रहे हो, विजुलाइज कर रहे हो, कानों से उनकी आवाज को सुन रहे हो, यू आर फीलिंग देयर, their presence. You are also present there and you're feeling their presence in your skin, so you might get goosebumps, or you might get some kind of different feeling in your own inner space. And then you will actually feel the entire thing will become real. This is how this is how you're using the law of attraction. This is how you manifest things in your life. So this is actually, you are, when you're doing for others, it becomes really really powerful. Because why? Because you've started that circle of abundance now. You've already started that circle of abundance, and it will just move. What is a circle? It starts, the end and the beginning of the circle is the same. You have begun, and it will move round, not today, not tomorrow, maybe many years after, maybe after a week, or any, you don't know. It will all depend upon your degree of gratitude. कितने फोर्स के साथ आपने उसे चालू किया है, it will all depend upon that. So again, it's all about you and you and you. How you are doing it, which space you are operating from. And then you will, it will all guarantee that the gratitude you feel is as sincere, as powerful as it can be. Please continue reading.
To wave a magic wand to help someone you love with their wealth, follow the same magical practice and be as grateful as if they had the wealth they needed right now. Imagine their wealth has been fully restored. It is done, and you're saying the magic words thank you because you've just received the amazing news.
Yes, don't forget to say thank you. Maybe at time, when you hear the news, you might think, because it's human mind and the conscious mind will make you think, wow, I have done something like this. Wow, it's so beautiful. Your ego might come in front. So then when you say thank you, then actually you become a messenger of the universe. You know that now I am the co-creator, and I am with the universe, and I'm doing something for the world, not for myself, for the world. It's for the betterment of the entire world. Immediately, your shift, your entire energies change, because now हमने उस flavor को taste कर लिया है ना, in different ways. When we say thank you, what happens? Yeah, please continue. If a person
The person you know is going through a tough time, but you don't know what specifically they need or if they need help in more than one area, then you can follow the same magical practice and wave your magic wand by giving thanks for their happiness or for their health, wealth, and happiness together.
Yes, so पहले we did was for the health. You can do individually, so different ways. आपको लगता है कि very powerfully कि उसके health के बारे में ही करना है, then you can just do for your health. If you feel that you just want to do for the wealth में everything comes, money comes, asset comes, happiness comes, everything comes. So अगर वैसे करना है तो you can do for that. And now if you feel that you don't know क्या चीज के लिए you want to help that person, या you don't know much about it, but एक वो feeling आती है अंदर से कि you want to help that person, more maybe uh, you feel that the person is in a depressive state, or एकदम मतलब more than one area, so many things are happening at the same time in the person's life, then you can just follow the magical practice. How? Use the magic wand by giving thanks for their happiness, their health, and wealth. So all three together. You can do that also. So different options are being given to us. So now how do we do it? Let's read it.
Today, choose three people you care about who are currently in need of health, wealth, or happiness, or all three. Get a photograph of each person if you have one, and keep the photographs in front of you while doing this practice. Take the first person, hold their photograph in your hand, then close your eyes, and for 1 minute visualize yourself receiving the news that the person has been fully restored with whatever they need. It is much easier to visualize yourself receiving the news than it is to visualize, for example, an ill person healthy again, or a
Yeah.
depressed person happy again, or a financially stressed person abundant again. And you will feel more excitement and gratitude if you involve yourself in your visualization.
Yes. So how are we going to do it? The entire process, I think it's understood. It's very clearly said that you choose three people you care about, whom you feel that they want, abundance of health, wealth, or happiness, or all, or all three. Agar if you're not sure, it's better that you give for all everything, for health, wealth, happiness. But if you're really sure ki nahi, the person is really sick and suffering in pain, and anguish is there, and a lot of things in with related to health, then you just choose only health. If you feel for wealth, you just choose only wealth. Or if you choose ki agar मैं तीनों ही देना चाहती हूँ, and your heart completely, it feels that, it really feels it, and it is an intense desire to help in that way, then you can choose for all three. Now what you're going to do is get a photograph of each person and do a concentrated practice. So just keep yourself free, whatever part of the day, maybe immediately after the session or whatever, whenever you feel you're free and you're not preoccupied by other thoughts, then just keep the picture in front of you and be as much detailing as you can. Minimum is 1 minute you have to spend. Maximum it can go to any time. You don't have to see the time, because whenever we are doing such work, we actually move beyond time and space. Time and space, time just pauses at that time, and you don't know which space you are in. That is the real feedback you get from yourself. That's, it's a reality check for ourselves that actually we have become a messenger. Actually we are the co-creators. You will, वो एक अलग ही feeling आएगी उस समय. It will be a different feeling which you need to experience it for yourself. So you take the first person, hold their photograph, close your eyes, because when we close our eyes, we are in an inner world. We are moving in that world of feelings. You can feel more intensely, and then you can visualize yourself. Just, it really makes a difference when you see yourself in the picture. Then it really feels real. And whatever you want to visualize, that you've received the news, or first you are, so it's better that you visualize that you've actually, that thing has actually taken place. ऐसा नहीं कि वो होगा, वो हो चुका है. It's already done. And then when you're receiving the news, how would you feel? So for example, an ill person's health, so you can choose for yourselves. Everybody, you can look into your own lives around you, in your neighborhood, in your building, or in your any relative whom you can think of who's suffering since a long time, somebody who's in ICU. You can just direct your energy towards that person. And how? By thinking that somebody from that person, that person is sick, and somebody from their house, their son, their daughter, or their wife, or their husband, somebody who's very close to them has called you, and out of the blue, that person is called you and telling you that this person is healed completely. So like that, somebody who's financially stressed has become abundant again. There's a lot of abundance. The financial crisis which was going on, something has just poured into their life, and they are feeling abundant again. So, and if you feel more excitement and gratitude, uh, if you involve yourself in your visualization, it really works. Don't forget to bring yourself in that space, in that visualization. Yes, please continue. Open your eyes.
Open your eyes, and with the photograph still in your hand, say the magic words thank you slowly 3 times for that person's health, wealth, or happiness, or whatever combination they need. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the person's name, health, wealth, or happiness. As you finish with one person, move on to the next person and follow the same 2 steps until you finish the magic wand practice by sending health, wealth, or happiness to all 3 people. You can also use this powerful practice when you're walking down the street or going about your day and you come across someone who is obviously lacking happiness, health, or wealth. Imagine you have a magic wand and in your mind wave it by giving heartfelt thanks for their wealth, health, and happiness, and know that you have set a real force of energy into motion.
And what is that real force of energy? Gratitude combined with your desire. It's not that, somebody might take it in that way, or maybe, when I actually took it in that way, when I read the chapter initially, that if you start, so when I came to know that the circle is started by you only, so when you start the circle, it will come back to you. So with that intention, if you do, it's not that, that intention is not the desire. That desire is not what this chapter is talking about. It's the true desire, you know, true desire which comes from your heart to help, to bring a shift in somebody's life. How? With the power of gratitude. ये दोनों का जब मिक्सचर होता है, then it really, you really set the ball into motion. Then you know you've really set the ball into motion. And also, you know, so of late, what I've started actually, I've actually started doing. So my building is on the main road, and if I, from the place where I'm sitting right now, there is a window on the eastern side, and it faces the road. So when I stand there, so many times during the day, I feel like standing there, and you know, when you see people walking down the street, and then you see that picture, and then you move into that picture, and then you move beyond the picture. Just try doing it, all of you, if you can, if you get time, even 5 minutes if you get time. So see those people moving on the road, and you know, you're seeing that picture, you captured that picture. Now you look at anybody, you just figure anybody, supposing, you know, wherever you are, whichever floor you are in, you will be able to see the faces of the people, the vehicle on which they are moving. You know, just give an intention, just give an intention that whoever is there, whoever I'm seeing, supposing this cab fellow is there, the auto driver is there, or you know, somebody is just sitting on the road and thinking and doesn't know what to do, where to go, you'll be able to figure out, you know, you'll be able to tune into the energies of that person once you are looking at them, you know. And just with a pure heart, just say that whatever the person is into, wherever that person's life is now, it becomes more and more happier in areas of health, wealth, and there is so much happiness coming in this person's life, and you know, the person is coming out of the problems that he is facing or she is facing. So people who are walking on the road, if you just give this, now you really really are doing with a selfless, you're doing a selfless service, you're actually doing a selfless service in pure terms, you know. And you don't know what that person wants, so you can use this practice for that also. This chapter is telling us कि अगर आपको, you know, you feel like doing it, and my invitation to all of you is that just try once. You'll, that happiness which you will feel, it's an indescribable happiness. You have to experience it only. So just do this, you know, just look at anybody, a cobbler who is sitting, just do that to that person. Somebody is waiting on the bus stop, you know, waiting in the line, just look at that person, tune into the energies of that person, and just an intention is enough. Intention is enough. You are actually unfolding the power of gratitude when you're doing this. Your intentions are really really powerful. That is enough. So you know, you just give an intention that I'm, you know, it's like a prayer which you are doing. It's really like a prayer. You know, when we say a prayer, we, this is what actually we mean. So the prayer which you which Pooja ji shared with us now, it is, I don't know, actually those lines are coming in front of me, that that is what the prayer meant. And you know, I remember when we used to say prayers in the, you know, till maybe in our school, or maybe when you used to chant mantras from the shlokas from the Bhagavad Gita, or any other shloka which we used to chant. I never used to enter into the meaning, the true meaning of every word. हाँ, बस थोड़ा सा समझ में आ जाता था, पर every word, understanding every word was not there. So now when we are doing this, when we are in this practice, when we are, you know, in this world of gratitude, in this magical world, we actually are getting in touch with every feeling, every word, every alphabet is carrying some vibration, and we are actually getting in touch with that. So you know, now when we so now when I read a mantra from any place, you know, could be a Gayatri mantra or any other mantra, or could be any shloka from the Bhagavad Gita or the Bhagavatam, anywhere, you know, from the Ramayana, any lines from the Ramayana. Now when I feel like entering into the meaning of every word, and when you decode the meaning of every word, like how we did decoding of the picture, every chapter we do the decoding, then something else comes up. So like that, when you are in this powerful practice of giving gratitude, giving your energy of gratitude with a desire to make a shift in their happiness, health, and wealth for people whom you don't know, then actually you are experiencing a different thing. I don't know how to say it in words, but you'll have to experience it and understand for yourselves, each one of you. Yes, please continue.
Using gratitude to help someone else with his or her health, wealth, and happiness is the single greatest act of gratitude you can perform. And one of the magical things about it is that the health, wealth, and happiness you fervently wish for others, you also bring to yourself.
Yes, so you have given the command, you just you have started the ball into motion and it comes back to you. You fervently wish for others. It's your intense desire. मतलब आप दिल से करना चाहते हो. It's coming again. It started in the first para. This word came, and it's ending with it. That this para is ending with what we started with. The happiness you fervently wish for others, you also bring it to yourself. Yes. So you have given the command to the universe to make it happen. You have actually become the co-creator, isn't it? We actually are feeling like that. Yes, no, everybody, are you feeling like that or no? After reading today's chapter, before we read today's magical practice, yes, no,
Yeah.
yes, no,
Yeah.
no, anybody's not feeling anything. Lovely, lovely. So awesome. Everybody's there in this feeling. Yes. So let's read the magic practice number 24.
The magic wand. Number one, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Read your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number two, choose 3 people who you care about and who you would like to help with more health, wealth, happiness, or all three. Number three, if you have them, collect a photograph of each of 3 people and keep it in front of you while doing the magic wand practice. Number four, take one person at a time and hold their photograph in your hand. Close your eyes and for 1 minute visualize the person's health, wealth, or happiness has been fully restored and you're receiving the news. Number five, open your eyes and with the photograph still in your hand, say the magic words slowly. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the name of the person, health, wealth, or happiness. Number six, as you finish with one person, move on to the next person and follow the same 2 steps until you finish the magic wand practice for all 3 people. Number seven, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes, so there are in all 5 steps for today's magical practice. Once you identify those 3 people, then whom you would like to help for the health, wealth, or happiness, or all three, then you collect a photograph of each of these 3 people. Preferably, if you can have a real photograph, not on the phone, you can just take a printout. If it's there on the phone, it works better. Just a suggestion. And keep it in front of you while doing the magic wand practice. Now, very important, take one person at a time and hold their photograph in your hand. Close your eyes and visualize the persons. Then actually you are getting into the energy field of that person. You are actually, this is how healing takes place. When you're healing also, when you are in the healing world, when you're doing any kind of healing, whether it's theta healing or pranic healing or reiki or whatever, if you just you to enter into the with the power of your visualization, you can enter the energy field of that person, and then actually you do the healing from that space. So because in the energy world we all are connected, there is nothing that you are, everybody is there, right there in the energy field. And then you open your eyes, with the photograph still in your hands, you say the magic words: thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember this line: thank you, thank you, thank you for that person. You tell the name of that person: health, wealth, or happiness. The name of the person is really important, and the full name, because there are times, and if you can mention the city also, it works beautifully. So you can mention the city where that person is and the name of that person. And as you finish with one person, move on to the next person. Do a concentrated practice for all the three people you have chosen. Not that you have don't have time, so you just do for one person and the next person you do sometime later. Not like that. As with the other practices we have done, this goes with the same goes with this practice also. Just take all the three people, because whenever the more and more we do the first person, the second person, the third person, you actually go more and more deeper into that space, and your power, it increases. The power of gratitude, the power of your healing power, you're actually entering deep inside the energy world. Okay. And then the last is, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic words: thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you so much, Vatika, for reading the chapter for us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, now any questions before we end today's session? Uh, Anything you want to share? Anything you want to ask any one of you? We can do that before we end today's session with a beautiful prayer. We'll be hearing a beautiful prayer, and if you know the words, you can say the words. You can sing with it. It's a beautiful prayer which they do in Vipassana. If any one of you have attended a Vipassana course, you will be knowing about this prayer. Or if you haven't, the words are really, really powerful. So, yes, anybody wants to say anything? No? Nothing? Okay. Okay, just a request, if you can't hear. I don't know, somehow when I heard the recording of the last time, and somebody said also that you can't hear, but I couldn't hear. In the recording it was there, but I couldn't hear when we were hearing live. So I don't know if you can write it on the chat. I get little engrossed in the whatever I'm hearing. So today I'll make it a point to see it on the chat, and if anybody can bring it to my notice if you can't hear, because last time it happened, and don't want to waste time.
Hear
So,
what?
yeah, sorry, somebody wants to share anything?
Hear what? We can hear you. So what is the recording you're saying?
The recording.
Okay, I don't look at the recording because I am listening live.
Sorry.
I don't put on the recording, but I'll check.
Okay, so whoever, if anybody else can help me out, that if if you can't hear it, then you can just let me know that no, the voice is not there, or it's not audible. I'm trying my best to do it, but sometimes I don't know, sometimes some things goof up. So just let me check before I begin. Yeah, it's fine. So yeah, so here we are.
तेरा मंगल तेरा मंगल तेरा मंगल होए रे
Audible?
सबका मंगल
Yes.
सबका मंगल
You can shut your eyes, you can close your eyes,
होए
and just be with yourself.
जिस गुरुदेव ने धर्म दिया
घर घर शांति समोय रे, तेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल, सबका मंगल होय रे।
So yes, तेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल सबका मंगल होए रे. Mangal is blessing, gratitude, shukrana. So this also, this prayer is really, really, is first Tera Mangal, then Mera Mangal, and then Sabka Mangal Hoye Re. So this was really, with the chapter what we did today. That's why I felt like sharing with you all. So yes,
It's very touching.
yes, it is. And you can sing with yourself. If you sing, and every line is so powerful. Every word is so powerful. It covers the entire,
Yeah, it covers the entire universe.
yes, entire universe. All the three worlds, yeah. Yes. So anybody else, anybody wants to ask anything before we end today's session? Lovely. So we meet tomorrow. Thank you, everyone for joining this session, being a part of this session. And thank you for all the contributions that you all are giving in every session. Your words, your meanings, your understandings, it really makes a difference. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.